Even out of tragedy, something beautiful can come. If someone had told me 12 years ago, when my baby boys died, that 12 years later I would be named 2019 New South Wales Local Hero for founding a national Australian charity which is giving premature babies a better chance of survival, I would never have believed them. When we began, our goal was to run one half marathon and raise $20,000 for one community group. So I'm immensely proud that because of my babies, Henry, Jasper and Devon, we've gone on to inspire 3,000 people to run in 13 half marathons, 2 marathons and several fun runs. And together we've raised over $3 million for life-saving neonatal equipment and research, which has transformed the Royal Hospital for Women's Newborn Intensive Care Unit into the best in the country. Channeling my grief in this way has given me a renewed sense of purpose. And it's given me great comfort to know that so far over 5,000 babies have benefited from my triplets' legacy. And some of the very sickest babies would not have pulled through without the equipment we've provided.
Today I will speak to you from what I know, from the path I've walked so far, the lessons I've learned playing sport, more specifically touch, for many years at elite level. Whether or not sport is your thing, no. They are just as applicable to any passion in your life. Music, art, drama, business, whatever it is. Find your path, girls, and be passionate about it. As a girl growing up, I found my spark in sport. I tried every sport there was. I know I've told you about the stories of afternoons after school with my cousin Steve at the front of his place playing footy, and that was Steve back there. I definitely wasn't the best dancer, as I've mentioned, and I was the only girl in my cricket team. I always actually wanted to play rugby league, but back when I wanted to play, girls weren't accepted in the football arena, so I chose touch football. Firstly with my dad and my sisters in the local park comp, and then later around the world.